In this video, I'm going to show you how to install this cabin filter cover on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. We're going to take this panel off. If you need to, you can use a trim tool. Just get in between there. And just pry it out. A couple clips on the side. And you need to raise this up. Get underneath here. And it slides out. It is clipped in right there. Using a 7mm socket, we're going to take this screw out here. There's one over here, and then there's also one further in here. You're going to have to creep in there a little bit. This one, that screw is missing, so take those out. And grab this panel, and it just slides right out. With the new filter cover, you want to take it and find where this location is. This is where the cover is going to go. Now we just have to cut in this area. We're going to use a utility knife, and you can see where there's a gap in between. That's where you want to cut. So just line that up just so you get a reference of where it's going. Then you're going to have to put a screw right there. So we'll just cut in between there. Just be careful. And you just want to get in there, just pop this off. Just use a screwdriver. So you can see we cut all that out. So that's good. Now you're ready to add the filter. You guys see these little tabs? These are going to go down. And you want to fold this just like this. And it's okay if this cracks right there. Don't worry about that. That's gonna slide up in there. Just like that. Like that, and you have those tabs, you can fold those over. Now I take the cover where this tab is, that's going to go in the slot in the back, and slide it up. Now you're going to have to get a screw. And just get a wood screw or a sheet metal screw. And screw that in. Now take this panel and slide it in position. Sure that lines up. Take those screws, get those started. And then there should be one more in there. Now we'll tighten these down. Just snug. Take this panel, line the top up first, push that in, and then snap it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.